Hi guys, today we will talk about how to update email on your Reddit. We will just go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that. We just click here on Reddit, then we come to a next window here like you say. We will just we will go back, then it's going to show for you like that on home. Then you just click here on this is picture and up, and you come here to this window and you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here like you say. You just click here on account settings for you, and you just come to this window, and you come to account settings. You just click here on update email address, then you just click here on content, and it's going to and you just click and you add your email, and it's going to update your email address on your Reddit. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.